Here with Ricky Colosimo at the Aus Fitness Expo. Wanderer Promotions has taken over this place. This place is already full and it's not even past 11:30. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, it's amazing. You can see the turnout's huge. I said before yesterday when we was lining it up, I said to the owner, I said, mate, you're going to be surprised how many people actually stand around, and this we're going to light it up. And as you can see now, it's one of the busiest stands, and it's very exciting as well.
And what do you think of the fight so far? Everyone is like such a great talent here.
Yeah, it's great. Like, we've got a lot of great amateur fighters coming up and coming, and I think promotions like this really showcase that. And all the fighters are loving it because they've never fought in front of crowds like this when it's so many random people but that don't follow boxing, but they're interested. And as you can see, everyone, if you look around, there's people everywhere, and they're stopping for a round or two. It's very, very exciting, you know.
And you know what I've noticed? I went for a walk around, and no stand is as big as this one. And we're just showing boxing, and a lot of these people, they don't look like boxers, so they're just interested in what we're doing here.
Yeah, it's amazing. I'm super excited for the day. We're just warming up. We've got a couple of pros lined up for some pad workout. It's going to be a great day and a great weekend of fights.
Huge weekend at the Aus Fitness Expo for Wanderer Promotions, and we've got November coming up, which is your next pro amateur event. That's going to be huge as well.
Yeah, man, it's going to, like, for us now, we're really in the building phase, and people can see we're doing things differently. And this is just another marquee event that we're doing, but we've got, I think, 10 events lined up for next year. We're just going to keep getting bigger and better as well.
Congratulations on this, Ricky, and I'm excited for the whole weekend. Thanks, guys.